CAMPINGMOON XD3F Portable Outdoor Stove, your reliable cooking companion in the wild. The CAMPINGMOON XD3F Portable Outdoor Stove, also known as the Shenyang Card Stove electric version, is a compact and powerful cooking solution for camping, picnicking, and other outdoor adventures. This stove combines portability with impressive firepower, making it an excellent choice for preparing meals in the wilderness. Key features: powerful 3.3 kilowatt burner. This stove boasts a 3.3 kilowatt burner, providing ample heat for quick and efficient cooking. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or cooking a full meal, this stove can handle it. Electronic ignition. The convenient press ignition system eliminates the need for matches or lighters, making it easy to light the stove in any conditions. Durable construction, made from a combination of aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and brass, this stove is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. It's designed for durability and long-lasting performance. Compact and portable. The stove folds down to a compact size of 17 by 17 by 7 centimeters, making it easy to pack and carry in your backpack. It weighs only approximately 374 grams, including the storage bag, minimizing the burden on your outdoor adventures. Stable and secure. The stove features a stable base with a load-bearing capacity of approximately 15 kilograms, ensuring that your cookware remains secure during cooking. The unfolded size provides a good balance between stability and cooking area. Butane fuel compatibility. This stove uses standard butane cartridges, which are readily available and easy to transport. Easy to use. The simple design and electronic ignition make this stove incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Specifications: product name, Shenyang Card Stove, electric version. Model, XD3F. Weight, 374 grams, including storage bag. Material, aluminum alloy, stainless steel, brass. Gas consumption, 180 GEH. Firepower, 3.3 kilowatt. Folded size, 17 by 17 by 7 centimeters. Unfolded size, 15 centimeters in the furnace frame, 19.5 centimeters in the furnace foot, 4.6 centimeters in the furnace plate, and 12 centimeters in height. Load bearing, 15 kilogram. Ignition method, press ignition. The CAMPINGMOON XD3F Portable Outdoor Stove is a reliable and efficient cooking solution for any outdoor enthusiast. Its powerful burner, compact design, and ease of use make it a great choice for camping, backpacking, picnicking, and more. Enjoy hot meals and beverages wherever your adventures take you with this versatile and portable stove.